Adding a debit card to your Betterment account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to successfully link your debit card. Step 1. Log into your Betterment account. Open the Betterment app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. This is typically found in the menu or under your account name. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Account Settings, look for an option labeled Payment Methods or Funding Sources. Click on this to proceed. Step 4. Add debit card information. Choose the option to add a new payment method. Enter your debit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Make sure all information is accurate. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your debit card information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save or Submit button to finalize the addition of your debit card. Now you have successfully added your debit card to your Betterment account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Betterment's customer support for assistance.